right, folks, I'm sure when Officers Denton Brown, who is close to us here, and Gary Murphy responded to an emergency call February 24, they never expected to be delivering a baby. Well, they did. See them here now? Morning to you both.
Morning, sir.
First, let me thank you for your service. So you got the call, and what did the call say? This is Constable Brown. What was the call?
Yeah, we got the call from police emergency stating that there's a young lady in an area called Swampley, that's in the Wagwalk police in here, that she's in labor and need assistance to the hospital.
That's all you were told?
Yes.
So like when you train for this kind of scenario, Sir Murphy?
No.
No?
Well, not necessarily.
Only,
so.
first aid
yes.
training.
And the first aid is just like CPR,
yes.
not baby delivering.
No.
So you reached to the location, and then what happened?
Yes, we got to the location, but I must say that my role was more of the Jason Statham. I was the transporter.
So you just drive.
so I responded to the call that we wanted to get there in the quickest time possible. So
Siren, go on and take.
no sirens, but we had flashing lights.
Okay.
Because we wanted to deal with this matter with great alacrity.
What time are we in this again now?
That's in we got the call around 1:30.
I don't need a siren one.
AM.
I rode him. Right.
Yes, so when we got there, because in my mind, what I really was thinking of was our international standard and quality assurance and service delivery in relation to how we treat our customers. So
Hey.
I wanted,
The next commissioner of police team there. Yeah,
so I wanted to get there quickly and safely.
What is the standard?
The standard, so it's 15 minutes within the township and 25 minutes out of. So really,
what time, how long did it take you to get?
we got there in about 5 minutes.
Yeah,
No, man, it's our standard the world we use now.
You better surpass.
In about 5 minutes.
Yeah.
And while I was backing up in the yard of the expectant mother there, I noticed she was coming toward us gingerly, and she was walking real wide. So by the time I backed up and my colleague here
Jumped out.
and placed her in the back of the service vehicle.
Okay, so gentlemen, what is going through your mind at this point? You see Murphy, you're backing up. You see the expectant mother coming. Sir Brown, you know, transport this, you know.
Yeah,
so you are the doctor and call now.
Yeah.
So you jump out and what?
Jumped out trying to assist her to put her in the vehicle. Because in our mind is to try to get her to the hospital safely so she can deliver the baby.
By the way, sorry to jump in. How far away would the hospital be, by the way?
About 10 minutes away.
About 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Well, according to our district constable, Murphy was driving about 2 minutes. Yeah.
He plugged some driving.
Yeah. So she came.
So she was coming out of the house and she was crying. You can see that she was in extensive amount of pain there. And I said, come. And the family members was there trying to assist with the luggage to put in the vehicle and so forth. And I assisted her to lay her on her back in the back of the service vehicle. There and then I went to the front seat now to make Mr. Murphy proceed to the hospital. I hear she said, officer,
baby, I come.
the baby is coming.
Yes.
I said, what?
Coming where? What?
In a pass
Mr.
out.
Murphy shocked as well. So I said, yeah, Mr. Murphy, here what? Hold this rifle for me. And I went around there and she was crying. I said, I said, just relax. I said, when I looked, I saw the baby coming and I said, just relax, just breathe.
You had any idea what to do?
Basic knowledge.
Yes.
Big up to the TV show, Grey's Anatomy.
Grey's Anatomy. You see why you must watch TV sometime?
So you had no idea what to do?
No idea. And there and then I see the baby just come right out, man, all that fluid, all that blood just come right out of me, slippery. And I said, Mr. Murphy, the baby arrived, you know. Mr. Murphy said, what? What?
You notice transport never leave him see. Transport say, I'm not going around.
And then the baby mother came out and she gave me a receiver of the baby and I gave her the baby and said, Mr. Murphy, hospital. You proceed to the hospital there. And the nurses were saying, where is the baby mother? when you look and see a baby, you say, wait, the baby born already? You say, we delivered. You say, officer, you turn midwife.
And apparently she's asked you to be the godfather.
Yes, she did ask.
And did you accept?
Yeah, I accept. I said, no problem, you know.
Fantastic.
It's part of her serving.
What does that feel like, bringing a life into this? I mean, she brought the life into the world, but you delivered the baby. I don't know if that was on your bingo card for 2025.
No.
But how must that have felt for you?
Well, I feel quite elated, you know. Once I heard that baby cry, I said, yes. And basic knowledge, once the baby cry, you know, all is good. So I said, yes. You know, we couldn't take that to know that we would lose that mother and that child.
No.
Couldn't take that.
Yeah.
And as far as you know, as we speak, everyone is okay.
Everyone
Yes.
is okay.
Oh, beautiful.
Sir Murphy, how are you feeling in all of this? You see a colleague around there?
I am elated as well. And as I said in an earlier interview, based on the negative publicity that we got in, you know, people would say that we have removed lives out of this world, you know, it was really a wonderful feeling to know that we could have participated in helping one.
Yeah, Sim said it would take you 2 minutes to get to the hospital.
Right.
How long did it take you?
It was about 5 minutes though. It was about
5 minutes is the standard.
5 minutes.
It was about
Quality
5 minutes.
assurance standard.
Yes, and it's really an overwhelming feeling.
Yeah.
So know that we could have assisted, and it is always a pleasure to serve people because I am a people person.
Brilliant.
And I always like to know that I'm in the position to help or assist another human being.
Brilliant.
So to know that I was able to contribute somewhat.
You have kids, Sir
happy.
Murphy?
Yes.
How many?
I do have 2 children.
Young kids?
One is young. I have a 26-year-old daughter, soon to be 27.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay,
I'm
just
so
checking.
sure.
His age, you know, Mr. Murphy, don't
I know.
I also have an 11-year-old.
Yeah. And you're going to be a dad.
Yes, sir.
When?
Me.
This is your first child?
Yes, sir.
Did this teach you anything?
Must be.
A lot. A lot, because most of the comments that I get from citizens around in the Bagwaka, man, they say, man, no, you do it. Me that drop down, you know? And I said, no, you know, build up the confidence.
So let me tell you a little
Yeah.
story. So certain people who have been in the delivery room when their children were born in had to really take a seat, right? Because they were going to pass out.
Yeah.
Because there's a lot of stuff that you see going on that, yeah.
Yeah, when I walked in a little late. No, I'm serious because my son was born like that. So by the time I put on the green, this is overseas, by the way. When I walked in, I won't tell you what I thought I saw. But I remember the doctor went like that and said, somebody get daddy a seat. And by the time the seat comes, daddy says,
None of that.
by the time the seat reached, I was out of it. Boy, this is such an amazing story. I congratulate you so very much. And it's not the first time I've heard police officers involved in something like this. So the question that Sim asked first, maybe it should be part of your training.
I was just going to say.
Maybe it should be a part of your training because you guys really and truly, is this the, I don't want to use the word weird, but is this, what's the word? Maybe strange? Is this
the most outstanding interaction?
That you've had since you became police officers?
No.
No?
Okay. How long have you been on the force?
This year, it's going to be 4 years.
So you had something, I don't want to say
Most
weird.
impactful.
You had something.
We have other impactful moments. But you know, it's not everything we can, you know?
Right.
can share.
Sure.
But this must be, as Constable Murphy said, must make you feel really, really.
So how do you deal with the newfound fame and feedback?
Well,
Can you walk on the street now without somebody?
Interview after interview after interview.
even yesterday I went on the road and person was like, congrats. Are you in a youth? You know?
You're the face of
them excited.
You're the face of the force now.
Yeah.
That's brilliant.
Yeah. What about you, Sir Murphy?
Well, I'm just giving God thanks. You know, as I said earlier, to know that I can impact at least one person positively. That is always a good thing. And this is not necessarily the very first one for me because there was a child she was born prior to getting into the vehicle, but the umbilical cord was still attached and all of that. So we had to transport her just the same, mommy, baby, umbilical cord.
Everything
and he was
wanted.
able to assist in the back of
I'm
the
pleased to
circle.
be available when it's Sir Brown's time because we need somebody who can transport in less than 5 minutes. So when it is time for his wife to
Might
deliver.
be a little bit difficult.
Oh,
What's the baby's name?
It might be a
Jamaica Clark. Baby, that's that one.
Yeah.
Jamaica Clark.
Jama.
Keda Clark, yeah.
Clark, she's a Clark. What a beautiful
Clark.
baby. Oh,
Brilliant.
bless
Congrats.
you both.
Congrats. Please stay safe.
Thank you again.
And again, I thank you both for your service. Not just what you did here, but just we need you. Can't do without you. And you're right. I know you get a hard time sometimes, but can't do without you. Can't do without you.
Thank you,
God
sir.
bless you both.
Bless you.
Thank
you
you.
for being here.
And all the very best to the new one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah?
Thanks, man.
You know whether it's a boy or a girl yet?
Don't.
I didn't know, but yeah.
No, we think too far.
Oh, you know.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Yeah, I know from 5 months. Thank you, officers. Denton Brown, Gary Murphy, give them the right titles. Constable Denton Brown, District Constable Gary Murphy. What to do when we come back?
We're going to talk a little bit about the police force when we come back. Soon come.